this lecture, we will discuss Rankine cycle with regeneration. In an ordinary Rankine cycle, ano yung disadvantage? At this point, may relatively low temperature siya. Kasi heat is transferred to the working fluid at a relatively low temperature, and the disadvantage is that it lowers the average heat addition temperature, and the effect is a lower cycle efficiency. To fix this problem, we look for ways to raise the temperature of the liquid leaving the pump. Kasi, para tumaas yung efficiency, mas maganda if yung temperature niya before pa siya pumasok sa boiler, which is ito yung pagpasok sa boiler. Yung temperature niya dito, dapat mas mataas. Sana mga around that, para mas mataas yung efficiency niya. And the way to do this is to have a feed water heater before it enters the boiler. Yan. So, paano ginagawa yun? It's done by extracting or bleeding the steam from the turbine at various points, and yung steam na yun na supposedly should produce more work by expanding. Instead of expanding, ginagamit siya to heat the feed water. Okay. So, merong additional device yung feed water heater. Ano itsura niya sa diagram? Ito yung turbine. Part ng steam, i-extract. So, itong steam na to na lumabas, hindi na siya mag-expand completely sa turbine. Instead, gagamitin siya para i-heat yung feed water. Saan galing tong feed water? Galing siya sa condenser. Okay. So, i-heat siya. Then, yun yung heated feed water, yun yung papasok sa boiler, and ang effect niya is tataas yung efficiency ng Rankine cycle. And it does regeneration ang tawag doon sa process na yun, Rankine cycle with regeneration. And it does not only improves the cycle efficiency, but it provides a convenient means of deaerating the feed water or removing the air that leaks in the condenser. Kasi, possible kasi na may air na pumasok dito sa condenser. So, yung purpose din niya is to deaerate the feed water. It also helps control the large volume of flow rate of the steam at the final stages of the turbine due to large specific volumes at low pressure. Dito kasi sa turbine, pag nag-expand siya, as you can imagine, lalaki na yung volume niya, diba? And extracting the steam partially at some point helps in controlling the large volume due to the expansion. Therefore, as early as 1920s, ginagamit na yung regeneration as a modification in the Rankine cycle. Ano namang itsura niya sa TS diagram? Okay, so this is the TS diagram of a Rankine cycle with regeneration. Dito yung sa turbine na expansion, diba? Instead of fully siya mag-expand, part ng turbine ay lumalabas, in-extract, para dito sa feed water heater. So, ito yung feed water heater. Tuloy, ano yung effect niya? Instead of, supposedly, ito yung entrance temperature ng boiler, tumataas yung entrance temperature ng boiler. Ang effect nun ay mas mataas na efficiency.